Hey, what's up, you guys? Thank you for tuning in as usual. I got a new video today. I'm gonna burn some more wood. I had a request based off of my last video of that burn of Chelsea. I have a new portrait I'm gonna work on. This is Bruno. This is my sister's dog, her family. They checked out my last video and they're like, hey, do Bruno for us. So I said, okie doke. So I'm getting ready to do that. Please like, subscribe, share, leave comments, ask me questions, whatever the case may be. Help me get to, let me see, at the minimum, let's go for 1,000 subscribers. So tell your friends, family for me. Let's get 2022 going. Hopefully this comes out as good as my last one. I'm excited. Yeah, let's do it. So check it out.